Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to enable the Windows Spotlight feature in Windows 11. This feature allows your lock screen to display beautiful and dynamic images automatically, so let's see how you can turn it on step by step. Firstly, click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings to open the Windows Settings window. After this, from the left panel, click on Personalization, where you can customize different visual settings of your system. Now scroll down a little and click on Lock Screen. In the section Personalize your lock screen, you will see a drop-down option. Click on it, and here you will find different options like Picture, Slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. To enable Windows Spotlight, simply select Windows Spotlight from this list. Once selected, Windows will automatically download and show high-quality images on your lock screen, and these images will keep changing from time to time. If you want to use your own image instead, you can select the picture option and choose any image from your computer. You can also select the slideshow option if you want multiple images to appear on your lock screen from a specific folder. But for automatic and dynamic wallpapers, Windows Spotlight is the best option. After selecting Windows Spotlight, just close the settings window. The changes will be applied automatically, and the next time you lock your PC, you will see the Windows Spotlight images on your lock screen. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.